Judge Calabria, thank you for participating in the Civitas Institute with us.
Thank you for being here and for coming to our forum tonight also.
Thank you. And our first question is, what do you believe to be the role of the judiciary? If elected, how will your understanding of your role manifest in your adjudication?
The role, we have three branches of government, of course, and I believe that they are all separate and should remain that way. And I've been judging now for 14 years, and my judicial philosophy is the bedrock of the Constitution, because the Constitution established a government of limited powers. We continue to follow, I believe in judicial restraint, not judicial activism, and people can depend on me. I'm a reliable judge because they know what to expect. Fair treatment from a judge who sticks to the law and won't legislate from the bench.
And our next question is, what impact do you feel the recent SBI issue will have on the efficacy of the judicial system? Should this cause North Carolinians to reconsider their position on the death penalty?
As far as the SBI issues, it will present questions because what we do is apply the facts in the case to the law. And now that they don't really know the facts because of the evidence being tainted, it will certainly be troublesome. And I don't think it should change anything about our death penalty. We have a death penalty should still apply in cases where it is appropriate.
And our next question, what are your thoughts on judicial offices being made nonpartisan and about publicly financing appellate court races?
As far as the nonpartisan, it's been very troublesome because when people say they want to vote a straight party, we have to always tell them, if you vote a straight party, either one, you will not vote for the judges. And so it takes, and you only have certain seconds with people when you're talking to them, and that is so important for them to know that they have to vote for each judge by name. So it takes extra time with each person, and when you're trying to campaign around the state, as large as this state, every second is important. And the second part of that was about the public financing. Mm-hmm. The public financing, the lawyers, of course, contribute to that, so it's $50 per lawyer because of their license. And there are good parts and bad parts. The good part is that it's over May 4th so that you can concentrate on just meeting the voters and teaching them about our role as judges. But the bad part is that there are abuses to it, and that happened to me in 2006. The last week of the election, there was an abuse, and it was like a sabotage to my race that I didn't feel was fair. So.
And our final question, why should North Carolina elect you to become a leader of its judicial system?
I've been a judge for 14 years now, and I believe that I have done everything that I could as far as my role as a judge, following the Constitution as I explained, but also as being part of the community. One of the biggest roles I've been playing lately is with the Juvenile Literacy Council, where I have kids from juvenile court and I have tutors from Campbell Law School who are helping them, and I believe that every judge should take on a role aside from what we do on our what we could call a day job, and help the community in some way to make it better.
Well, thank you for your time.